The 1950s were such a memorable time for many reasons. However, one of the most significant figures was Fidel Castro. He planned a revolution in Cuba that changed the lives of every Cuban citizen. He arrested hundreds of people, he limited land ownership, and he removed private business, as well as many other horrible things. In this book, The Red Umbrella by Cristina Diaz Gonzalez, she tells the story of 14-year-old Lucia, who was just trying to survive her teenage years during the time of Castro's reign. She lives a normal life where she and her bestie Yvette and her crush, who maybe just likes her back, all go to school, gossip, talk, and socialize. Lucia is living the life of a carefree girl, which everyone dreams of. She is planning her quinceañera and trying to get along with her parents. Her normal life, however, drastically changes by the presence of Castro's troops in her home city. She sees the change and feels it too. The first wave comes from the lack of school and the stress her family is going through. In an effort to protect themselves, her parents pretend everything is normal and okay. While truth be told, Lucia's friendships are being destroyed by the new political divide. Her family is put under surveillance, which only adds to the pressure they feel. In an effort to protect their children, Lucia's parents send her and little brother Frankie to America in Operation Pedro Pan. She's into Miami, where there are plenty of thoughts running through her head. Will they separate me from my brother? Will I ever fit in? Are my parents okay? Will my life ever be normal again? Lucia and her brother end up moving to Nebraska. Here they move in with Mr. and Mrs. Baxter, a lovely couple who are trying to make their transition easier. There, they are given English lessons, new clothes, and a sense of stability. Lucia is once again going to school and creating friendships. She even finds a new crush named Eddie. Cristina Diaz Gonzalez recreates the story of immigration during a terrible time in Cuban history. She beautifully captures the fear and desires any young girl would have when being separated from her normal life. If you're looking for a fun read and some history on Cuba, this book would be the perfect choice for you.